Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will say on the what is the background property. In the previous video we have covered the what is the color property. Okay, so in that color property we have taken how to add the RGB value and how to add the hexa value and also HSL value. So in this video we will see about the background property. Okay, so first of all, what is background? Background means like any element is there. For that, if I'm trying to add some kind of any kind of property, so that I can use the what a background property itself. For example, I want to add the color, I want to add the image, okay, and I want to make the position where it has to be. Okay, so what are the things we can do using the program background property is like, so one is background color property we can use, another one is a background image we can use, and background position, background size, repeat, okay, and also origin, clip, and attachment. So these all things we can see in a one videos. First we will see with the background color. Okay. In next video we will see a background image, how to add the background image. Okay. And after that background position, like that we will see. Okay. So let's see about background color. Okay. So let me create a file here that is like HTML file. So I'll create the what background dot HTML. Okay, so shift plus 1, enter, and here I'll add a h1. Okay, then heading. Okay, sorry. Okay, so here heading. Okay, so in this, what I'll do, apply the CSS property internally itself. Okay, style tag. Okay, so what I'll do for the h1. Okay, so for the h1, I'll select the H1, okay, for the H1 element. Or if you want to add the multiple also, you can select the multiple selector also. I will select the body also now. Okay, body tag. Okay, let me add the background color here. Sorry, background color. Okay, so background color, whichever you want to apply, you can apply. So in the color, you have seen already like RGB, hexa value, and other things. You can apply that same thing here also. Okay, so FE6 A. Some color I'm adding it. It is random color I'm adding it. It's not fixed one. Okay. So now let me go live. Okay, you can see it is apply for the both. It is applying for here also because as it is both similar color, so it is not showing that for that. For the body, it is also same color, and also for the head H1 also it is same color. It won't show you the for the heading. Okay. So let me show you that, like I'll remove the body. Okay, then let me show you with the only one selector, and you can see that only for the heading it is applying that background color. Okay, so in I hope this video is like the whatever the background color you understood how to apply the background color. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit on the like button and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching it, guys.